Ever thought about why preventive maintenance is a big deal in different industries? Let's break it down. Preventive maintenance is basically about being proactive instead of reactive. Instead of waiting for machines or equipment to break down, it means doing regular checkups and servicing to keep everything in great condition. Now, why does this matter? Imagine this. You're right in the middle of an important project, and all of a sudden your machinery stops working. This not only causes expensive downtime, but also messes up your workflow, and could possibly set you back by days or even weeks. That's where preventive maintenance plays a crucial role. By addressing problems before they get worse, we can make equipment last longer, minimize unexpected breakdowns, and improve how efficiently things operate. This strategy isn't limited to a particular industry. Whether it's manufacturing, healthcare, or even the hospitality sector, preventive maintenance is essential for keeping operations running smoothly. It's evident that preventive maintenance isn't just a luxury. It's a necessity for any industry that depends on equipment and machinery. This brings us to the big question: how do we streamline and manage preventive maintenance effectively? Enter the game changer, the Computerized Maintenance Management System, or CMMS for short. This innovative technology is revolutionizing the way we handle preventive maintenance. But what exactly is a CMMS? It's a digital platform that enables you to schedule, track, and report maintenance tasks all in one place. Imagine having a bird's eye view of all your maintenance activities, knowing exactly when and where attention is needed. This allows for a more efficient and effective maintenance management, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. A CMMS is no ordinary tool. It's a comprehensive solution that simplifies the complex world of preventive maintenance. From alerting you when a machine needs servicing to providing detailed reports that help you make informed decisions, a CMMS does it all. The beauty of a CMMS is that it not only simplifies preventive maintenance, but also makes it more effective and efficient. To grasp the impact of CMMS and preventive maintenance, consider a real case. Imagine a busy manufacturing company dealing with constant downtime and expensive repairs. They were stuck in reactive maintenance, addressing breakdowns as they happened. They found the magic of CMMS. Though not immediate, after training and adjustment, the change was clear. The CMMS system let them schedule, track, and document maintenance efficiently, leading to a notable drop in breakdowns and longer equipment lifespan. The benefits didn't stop there. The company also saw a boost in productivity, thanks to reduced downtime. Safety improved as potential issues were flagged before they could cause harm. And let's not forget the cost savings. No more unexpected repair bills eating into their budget. This case study clearly demonstrates the transformative potential of CMMS and preventive maintenance. So, what have we learned today? Well, we've dived headfirst into the world of preventive maintenance, understanding how crucial it is in preserving the lifespan and efficiency of your equipment. We've seen that it's not just about fixing what's broken, but rather about preventing those breakdowns from happening in the first place. Then, we've explored the game changer that is CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System. This remarkable tool not only helps streamline and automate maintenance tasks, but also provides invaluable data for strategic decision-making. We've also seen how CMMS can be utilized in various industries, from manufacturing to hospitality and everything in between. It's clear that no matter the industry, a well-planned and executed preventive maintenance strategy, aided by CMMS, can save time, money, and a whole lot of stress. Remember, a well-maintained machine is a well-oiled machine. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more comprehensive insights on CMMS and maintenance management. Stay tuned.